Like many arid regions across the Americas, California is now entering a period of historic drought conditions. The effects of climate change in the western United States are most severe in the Colorado River Basin. Located near the end of this supply line, San Diego County must now turn to creative solutions for its 3.3 million residents. The Pure Water program is a state-of-the-art water purification technology which will eventually supply more than 40% of the city's water needs.
Amy, thank you so much for this interview. Tell us a little about the San Diego Pure Water project. We'd like to learn more about the work you do.
Being at the end of the supply line and being so heavily dependent on imported water, it's been a long-time goal of ours to reduce that dependence. So we expanded our treatment plants and now we're able to treat all the water that we need. But we still rely on raw imported water off the Colorado River in Northern California. So now to really maximize the amount that we can recycle, we've gone forward with the Pure Water program. We're going to take water that's already been treated so that we can use it for those non-drinking uses like irrigation, and then put that through a really advanced purification process that'll strip all the contaminants out of the water, and then we can use it for all purposes, including drinking.
In recent years, San Diego has experienced a 43% decline in water use. What steps has the city of San Diego taken to be able to reduce its dependency on water from the Colorado River?
We do a lot of education. We get the word out there, encouraging customers and residents to conserve water. And we give a lot of tours actually, and the tour has really been the centerpiece of our outreach program. We have full-scale purification equipment, giving people just a first-hand experience. I think that's what's really helped our program.
Across the Americas, a lot of water is lost just to poor public infrastructure and leaky pipes. What steps is the city of San Diego taking to plug up some of its holes?
We're really working on our response to breaks. Historically, our cast iron mains were the big culprit. Over the years, in replacing on the order of 20 or 30 miles of that type of pipe a year, we're down to the last 60 miles.
Where do you see this program by 2035?
So through Pure Water, by 2035, we'll be producing half of our water supply. Right now, we're building the first facility. These projects are going to produce the first 30 million gallons a day of pure water. And then the ultimate goal in 2035 is to be producing over 80 million gallons a day. It's going to be a huge boost to our supply portfolio.
The idea of toilet-to-tap drinking water may not be palatable for some people. In fact, for some, it would be a little hard to swallow. What steps is the city of San Diego taking to market its Pure Water program so that people will be willing to take the leap?
Our audiences are pretty supportive. I think they understand that there's a lot of science and research that's gone into proving the safety of the technology and the concept. We've really been able to demonstrate that the water is safe.
You've spoken a lot about the advantages of the Pure Water program for San Diego, but as you know, we live in a binational region with over 5 million people. In Mexico, there's a stigma to the idea of water reuse. Ultimately, it's in our interest to work together to solve the binational problem of water resource management.